As you can see, it was a very cold and windy and foggy day up at Redmires Reservoir when we went on Friday. Yeah, bit cold to say the least. We've got us chairs set up as you'll see in a minute. There's mine, and the other one there is Steve's. We had a flask each to keep ourselves warm with a flask of coffee. I was flying the DJI Avata 2. Steve Justice is just filming it for me. I am using the DJI Motion Controller 3 as well, using the Goggles 3. Absolutely awesome bit of kit. It's a little bit windy, but the Avata 2 handled it very, very well. I went slowly to start with, as you'll see the footage after this, just so that Steve could actually film me with the drone. He showed me using the DJI Avata 3. I'm too busy talking to myself. I couldn't quite get my finger on the trigger because I had my gloves on, but it was just too cold just to take them off and just use my bare hands, which is what I normally do. So I just sort of adjusted my fingers, and I eventually got my fingers on the trigger to fly it properly. Now in a minute Steve will show you the Avata 2 coming round. Love that shot, just showing you flying around, how it flies in the air, steady as a rock, handled the wind perfectly. In some areas, this is my favourite shot, that bit there, little flyby. Some areas it was a bit touch and go with the wind. This shot is fantastic with the leaves blowing on the ground. This is where I went really slowly. You'll see it in the footage after the intro. Yeah, some places it got windy, other places it were okay, were fine, but it handled it like a dream. I nearly caught some branches around here, so a little bit close, to say the least. There's some areas with twigs that you see at the last minute. But yeah, it's a tough little cookie, this drone. I didn't crash it today, thankfully. Didn't fly FPV because it was like I said, too cold and a bit foggy and windy, so I didn't want to risk it because I'm not that good an FPV pilot. Steve's just doing a few low shots here, cruising along the ground. Like I said, going very, very slowly, running out of battery, so I'll come into land. And as Steve's just showing me a backwards shot of the setup we've got, and he's testing out the gimbal. Right then guys, this is where we take off. No it's not, it's where I took off. Oh yes it is. Yeah, I'm just taking off and now you see the drone. Yeah, that's me messing up my my wording. So enjoy the video guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye for now.